go to number 22. To entertain is the purpose of the fiction literary type. No? Fiction natin, ang purpose daw po niya is to entertain. Remember, when you say fiction, na make-believe, hindi totoo. While to teach moral values is the purpose of the literary type called, ito pong item na to, lumalabas po siya sa Gen Ed, lumalabas po siya sa Prof Ed, lumalabas din po siya sa English major. Okay? Would this be letter A, journalistic, letter B, didactic, letter C, allegory, or letter D, epistolary? What is this? Alright, didactic ang sigaw ng Team Freud. And of course, sumpak na choice, letter B, didactic. Okay, so didactic literature is intended to teach. No? Expository po siya. Minsan na itatanong ni Let, no? Didactic yung nasa question, which among the following yung nasa choices. No? It's either expository or explanatory, or po pwede niyo din pong hanapin yung lecture, no? Kapag wala yung mga words na yon. Alright, so this is intended to teach moral lessons. Okay? Basta moral, no? Moral po. Didactic yung ating hinahanap. Journalistic, this is for news and information. Allegory, of course, this uses symbols to convey deeper meaning, no? And ang epistolary naman po, letter form writing. Okay? So, classic example po nito would be Urbana at Felisa, no? Na itatanong po yan ni Let. Epistolary, this is letter form, exchange of letters. Okay?